intelligent storage cabinet area is primarily responsible for the storage and management of 7-inch reel materials. The SMT sensor-based smart reel rack area is primarily responsible for the storage and management of materials larger than 7 inches in size. Manual scanning of shelf numbers using a PDA, followed by scanning the material information. Placing the materials into any available storage location. Once the storage location senses the material, it lights up, and the material information is back to the storage location and transmitted back to the system. Once the materials are successfully stored, the inventory is automatically updated. When there is a material demand in SMT, the system automatically generates a task order. The smart reel rack system receives the task order, and the corresponding storage location lights up. Personnel retrieve the materials based on the back prompt, and the system automatically deducts the inventory. Scanning the reel information using a PDA, printing the track label, and completing the outbound process. Pushing the loading cart into the intake port of the storage cabinet. The storage cabinet automatically grabs the materials and reads the cards. The system automatically assigns a storage location. The robotic arm picks up the materials and places them into the designated location. During the outbound process, the robotic arm receives the task order and utility. Jenny selects the required materials based on the first in, first out FIFO principle. The robotic arm retrieves the materials and places them on tray. The conveyor belt below the storage location. The printer obtains the barcode information and automatically prints the label. The robotic arm receives the task order and picks up the label, applying the label onto the reel, grasping the materials and placing them into AGV automated guided vehicle loading cart line. An empty AGV automated guided vehicle loading cart enters the outbound station of the intelligent storage cabinet. A fully loaded AGV automated guided vehicle loading cart is delivered to the designated station on the production line.